Hey, what's up guys? This is Ali A, and today I'm coming at you with another video. Today, I want to talk about this whole coronavirus thing. It's got people locked up at home, people are working from home, people don't have jobs, people got let go, people are getting fired. Whatever the case is, this is a perfect opportunity for you to create yourself all over again. Phoenix, rise from the ashes. This is your chance to build. This is your chance to grow. This is your chance to show the world that nothing is gonna get in the way of you accomplishing your goals and your dreams. Nothing. You're not afraid, you're not scared. Tomorrow's gonna come regardless. So you might as well put in the work today as if you're gonna live forever, knowing that tomorrow's not promised, because it's not. But you know what? We don't give a fuck. Us go-getters, we don't give a fuck. We're gonna go out there and we're gonna get the job done, period. As if we're gonna live forever. You know why? Because that's just how we operate. We operate on a positive thinking mindset. We operate on, I don't give a fuck what comes my way, I'm gonna make it happen, period. And nothing's gonna stop me from taking care of my moms. Nothing's gonna stand in between me and taking care of my sisters and my niece and nephews and my family. Nothing. And when fear comes knocking on my door, and I know it can possibly directly affect me and my family, great. Let's take some proactive measures to make sure that we do not get stuck in the trap. But other than that, I'm gonna keep it moving, business as usual. I'm not gonna sit at home waiting for somebody to come and give me a handout, or waiting for the government to tell me what to do, or waiting for the next opportunity to fall in my lap. No, this is the time to create. Create your opportunity, create yourself, and create your future. See you guys tomorrow, same place, same time, same channel. Thanks for watching.